Welcome back to Middlefield Custom Sawmill. Today we have a lumpy log. This is a big spruce, and you can see, these are some, I'm not cutting those off with a chainsaw, we'll just saw through them, but it's been around a while. Complete with spider houses. So we're going to cut this into boards today. There's more spider houses there. Oh, look, another one up there. That one's got a little hole in the top the spider made, see it? So we're going to cut this into boards for my kiln, for the siding on my kiln. I don't have any pine, I don't have any hemlock, I do have a spruce. So we're sawing that up today. This is going to be a fun one with all these knots. They're always a pain, but we'll get it. It's not a problem. This end's about 17 inches. The pith is way over here. It's off center. I leveled it as best I could. The other end's like 12 inches. It's got a lot of taper. So I'll get some boards that only come up to there as I'm cutting through it. And that's okay. Short boards, long boards, it won't matter. So let's get to it. So I'm trying to get a flat on this so I can flip it over, and then I have something solid to sit on. And once again, I'm using that carbide blade. We'll see how flat it cuts in a second. Alright, let's see how we did here. Spruce is really hard to cut, but this stayed pretty flat. Right there, there's a teensy little bit of daylight. But that was a huge knot cluster. Where all those big knots were, there were 5 of them there, look at that. So the wood looks like spruce. It's got some nice grain to it. Going up this way. There are a lot of knots. I don't know how this is going to work for siding, but alright, I guess we need to roll her over. Let's put that end down first. Oh yeah, that's not going to work. Going through these enormous knot clusters, you just got to go slow. Right here. That's a big knot cluster, so is that one. Nice and flat. Alright, let's get another cut off there. Get a nice flat going, and I'll flip it up and make a cant out of it. Whenever I cut spruce, it always goes wavy on me. This is staying pretty flat. So it's these carbide blades. They're pretty good for this. I'm surprised. Everybody tells me, oh, carbide blades are for hardwoods. This is hardwood, this is softwood. Hard, soft. At least that's how I see it. Check it just to be sure. Yeah, nice and flat. All right, I've got a flat here, a flat on the bottom. I guess I'm going to turn it up. It's just gross. Really, there's a big knot sticking out and it's hitting the side. I guess I have to get a chainsaw. A turtle is born. All right, let's try and roll it up. Now I just gotta get this end up. Oh yeah. Guess we're going to take another board off of this. Get rid of some of this wane. And I've got 10.5 inches wide. I want 1/8. So 10.5 wide, and I'm going to end up about 10-inch high when I cut the other end off. So if I take one more board off here, and then the other side cut it down to flat, that's going to give me around 8 inches. So let's do that. This over. We got a little bit of wane right there, and at the end, that's okay. I can, cut it off and have some shorter boards. How long is this? I didn't measure the length. A little over 11 feet. All right, what's underneath it? Bark. Nice stuff there. A lot of knots, but nice. Sawdust filled up. Alright, we're a little above 8 inches. I'm going to take a skim cut, take it down to 8, flip it up, and I can cut my 8-inch boards. Okay, I have a YouTube challenge for all you guys out there with band mills. Check this out. This is a spruce log, It's got these huge knot clusters, okay? Knots all the way up and down it. Cut yourself a 1/4 inch thick board and show me the edge as a 1/4 inch all the way down. This thing's perfect all the way down. I'm going to keep going, look. It is the same thickness all the way to the end. Look at that. Someplace you can see it there. That is perfect. There's no waviness at all to that. I mean here, right here, where the big knot cluster is, same thickness. That's carbide blades. So that's your challenge. Take a knotty spruce, cut a 1/4 inch board off one side. All right, let's stand this thing up. Okay, so here's the wood. There's a lot of board feet there. I'm going to stay back a ways here so you can see it all. But nice stuff. Really nice stuff. A little bit of funkiness right here. That's alright. It's going to be siding. So this mill is 36 inches wide, and I probably have enough there to cover it twice by 11 feet long. So I still have to edge all those. I have one board in here that I can get an 8-inch board out of, and the rest are just going to be stickers. Ah, get over there, you. So we got a bunch of scrap there. Then over here, we've got a dozen 1x8s and 2 1x4s out of that log. So that was pretty good. And then all these stickers too. So nice looking wood. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Come back again, like, subscribe, if you want, whatever. I'm just cutting wood here for my little kiln, that thing over there. There. That's all going to be covered in siding soon. This is for Andy and Paul over at Southern Adirondack Outdoors. They did their elbow maple this week, so I wanted to show them this. That's an elbow board. That's how you dry an elbow board. Just hang it up.